Alright viewers, this is Road Dog here. Just want to show you some modifications that I made to Metallica. One, as you can see right here, is going to be this backrest. I'll tell you what, it makes the ride much more comfortable to ride in. And it also flips down so that the passenger is able to get on and off the back seat. And it also has this little handy dandy pouch right here in the back so that you could put your cell phone, sunglasses, and other little items in there. And you can see it tilts back too. See that tilt? That tilts back. That's makes it good. Another thing we got here that we put on here was the day running lights. Yep, put the day running lights, the day running fog lights on there. Go ahead and turn them on for you so you could see what they look like. Alrighty, let it get set here now. Go through the process as you well know in order to get this thing going here. That's that, and let me go. Gonna have to crank her up. Okay, all cranked up. And there you can see how the lights look on it. That's the day running mode right there, day running lights. Now there's a button right here that I push, and that is going to turn on the fog lights. If you can see the difference or not between the fog lights and the day running lights. Those are two modifications or two mods was purchased from Sling Mods. But I got one more feature here that I've added on to it. And it is the halo light and the under center light. See, that's in that mode. There's different modes that you can go with. You can go with that mode right there where it changes slowly. That mode where you see where it just flashes light. It also changes the color. So you just want one solid color. Do that. Red, green, blue, yellow. I don't know what that is. Okay. Light blue. And we have that kind of like pinkish color. But those are the mods that I added to Metallica. Alright, and before I cut this off, I need to mention that the halo light and the under center light, they were purchased from Can Am Spyder Accessories. That's Pierre up in Canada. Alright, so viewers, if you like the video and you like the mods, hit me with a thumbs up on that. Alright, this is going to be Road Dog. I'm out.